एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड विच ऑफ दीज आर इनकरेक्ट। ये हमारे 5 नेशंस हैं और ये उनके गोल्ड, सिल्वर और ब्रोंज मेडल्स की डेटा है। सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट सेज दैट फ्रांस विल ऑक्यूपाई द 3rd place if the list were made on the basis of total number of medals won. So let us calculate the total number of medals, gold plus silver plus bronze। यूएसए के टोटल मेडल्स हैं 125। फिर कनाडा के टोटल मेडल्स है 39 + 27 + 24। यू कैन कैलकुलेट दिस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी done that calculation by pausing the video. Then next is Japan 20 + 12 + 13, which is 45. Australia total medals are 17 + 19 + 16, which comes out to be 52. Then for France it comes out to be 64. तो ये हमारे टोटल नंबर ऑफ मेडल्स हैं। तो इसके हिसाब से फ्रांस की क्या पोजीशन होगी? 1st पोजीशन, 2nd पोजीशन, 3rd पोजीशन। तो yes, this statement is correct and we have to find the incorrect statement. Let us see the second statement. The order of the top 2 nations will not change even if the list is made on the basis of total number of medals won. Okay, अगर total number of medals won हमारी लिस्ट है तो इसमें फर्स्ट कौन आएगा? यूएसए ही आएगा, सेकंड कनाडा ही आएगा। तो yes, the order of the list will still not change. Let us see the third statement. USA and Canada together have less than 50% of the medals awarded to the nations in the above list. 50% of the medals awarded to the nations in the above list. Let us see what are the total number of medals awarded to the nations in the above list. So total number of medals awarded will be sum of all these medals, which comes out to be 376. Or question is asking कि USA and Canada together have less than 50% of this. So USA and Canada together have how many medals? They have 215 medals together, and this count is less than 50% of the total medals awarded to the nations. तो इसका 50% क्या होगा? It will be 188. So it is saying कि USA plus Canada, which is 215, इनके total medals कम हैं 50% of the medals that are awarded to all the nations, which is actually 188. तो ये statement गलत है. It is more than 50% of the medals that are awarded to all the nations, right? So this is the incorrect statement and this is our answer.